Hello guys, it's your boy Mark from Random Talk and you're welcome to my YouTube channel. So on today's video, I will guide and direct you on how you can create a perfect and befitting PayPal account 2021, and this method is free, which means you just need your smartphone, being an Android or an iOS device with internet connection. But before it goes in that, please, if you're first time passing by, kindly subscribe, like and share for you get notified each time I upload a new video. We just have to head onto the App Store, Play Store, depending on the kind of devices you are using, and you click on it. You go onto the search bar and you have to type in PayPal. Okay, here is our PayPal app, so you just have to click download on it. Actually, it takes about a minute or two, depending on how fast your internet connection might be. So once your PayPal app has been downloaded as seen on my device, so you just have to click on it once. Okay, this is PayPal, so you have to click on to sign up if you're a new user. But if you're an old user, that is, if you already have an account with PayPal, you just have to click on to login. So on our part, we'll click on sign up. Okay, so at this point of time, you have to input your phone number. Okay, so once you input your number, you just have to click on to next. Okay, with this, a verification code will be sent to that number you use in creating your PayPal, and PayPal will demand for the verification code. So now I have to put in our verification code. Okay, so at this point of time, you have to input your email address. Okay, after you must have put in an email address with a password for security purposes, so you just have to click on to next. Okay, so at this point of time, you can choose in your nationality, so it depends on the country where you are. So on my nationality, I just have to put Germany, and you just have to put in your name. Okay, that's your first name. You have to put in your last name. So you just have to put in your date of birth. Let me just choose something random here. And also, I think with PayPal you ought to be, I think, 18 years plus. Yeah, that's what I think. Okay. Okay, so with this, you just have to click on to next. Okay, you say enter your address. So here you need to put in an address. Okay. Okay, so you have to put in street name. You have to put in a complete street name. Let me just say and house number. Okay, you have to put in your code. That's your city code and city. And once you're done in filling all the necessary information, that's your city. Okay, you just have to click on confirm, and then you just have to agree on creating an account. It takes about a minute or less than a minute for your account to be created. Okay, so at this point of time, here is my PayPal account. Okay, so here you can link in a bank for your transaction purpose, but you can still do it later in the settings. So you just have to click on to next. If you don't wish to link in a bank at the moment, you have to click next. we should skip. Okay, so here are a lot of updates about PayPal and other things to let you know on how you can do PayPal. So if you don't wish to take all the update now, you can say okay, not now. Okay, setting up your account. Okay, so this is it. Our PayPal account is 100% completed. So here, this is where you can send money to a person, or you can request money from someone. And also with PayPal, there are two means of sending money, that is by family and friend, that is, and by business. Family and friend goes by sending money for people you know, or people that you're related to, that family and friend. But for business purposes, you just have to choose business purposes. So this is it. So okay, let's click on exploit our account. Okay, so here is our PayPal account. So if you check at the top left corner of our device, you will see some sign there, so you just have to click on it. Okay, shows that we have to do two things in our account, that is, we have to link in a bank or a debit card. So but if you don't wish to do it, you can do it any other time. And also please, it's always good to create your PayPal with a legal name, so that you can easily link your bank to it, and it will ease you to withdraw your money and to have less difficulties while dealing with PayPal. So here is your PayPal account. So if you wish to see every information of yours, you have to see. So if you see on personal information, you just have to click on it once. Here I have to confirm your email address, and also you have to confirm your phone number. But once a link has been sent to you, you have no difficulties on that. So guys, here is our PayPal. So 100% is perfect. So I wish you the best as I try to create PayPal for your business purposes. And please, if you really love the video, please kindly subscribe, like and share, for you get notified each time I drop a new video.